High blood pressure is becoming more and more common these days. And when it suddenly spikes, it can lead to serious problems, like a stroke or even a brain bleed. That's why it's so important to know how to bring it down quickly when those symptoms start to show. It could actually save your life. In this video, we're going to walk you through 3 proven techniques that can help lower your blood pressure naturally. But before we get into those techniques, let's take a quick moment to understand what blood pressure actually is. Basically, blood pressure is the force of your blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. Your arteries are like tiny pipes that carry oxygen-rich blood all throughout your body, especially to your organs. And every organ in your body needs that oxygen to do its job properly. Now let's talk about how it's measured. Blood pressure is made up of 2 numbers. The top number is called your systolic pressure. That's the pressure when your heart is beating. The bottom number is called your diastolic pressure. That's the pressure when your heart relaxes between beats. Together, those 2 numbers make up your overall blood pressure reading. So now that you know what blood pressure really is, let's talk about what you can actually do to lower it. The first technique that can temporarily help lower your blood pressure is something called the Valsalva maneuver. Here's how to do it. Take a deep breath in through your nose, pinch your nose shut, and then gently try to blow out, almost like you're trying to push air through your closed nose. You'll feel some pressure build up in your chest and head. Hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds, then slowly release and breathe out normally. So again, deep breath in, pinch your nose, gently blow, and then relax. Feels kind of good, right? Doing this a few times can help you feel calmer and may briefly slow down your heart rate. This trick changes the pressure in your chest and tells your body to naturally slow your heart rate and lower your blood pressure for a moment. But if you have any heart problems, dizziness, or vascular issues, don't try this without medical advice. Doctors sometimes guide patients to do this under supervision for certain heart rhythm problems. The second thing you can do to lower your blood pressure is simple: breathing. We breathe all day, about 15 times a minute, and we don't even think about it. But when we're stressed, our heart rate and blood pressure start to go up. If that stress lasts too long, it can keep your blood pressure high. The good news is there are lots of breathing exercises that can help you relax and bring it down. But the one we find most relaxing and effective is called box breathing. Box breathing, also known as square breathing, is a simple but powerful deep breathing technique. It's been used by Navy SEALs to stay calm and focused under pressure, and it helps keep the right balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in your body. This technique can lower blood pressure, ease anxiety, reduce stress, and even help with pain or COPD management. When you practice box breathing, breathe gently in and out through your nose, and visualize drawing a box as you go through each step. Try to be in a quiet, stress-free environment where you can fully focus on your breathing. Here's how you do it. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold that breath for 4 seconds. Then breathe out gently through your nose for 4 seconds. And finally, hold your breath out for another 4 seconds. This creates what's called a 4x4 or box pattern. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. As you do it, visualize a box forming in your mind, each side representing one part of the breath. Repeat this pattern a few times, letting the steady rhythm guide you. You'll start to notice a natural flow, almost like the gentle beat of a song, helping your body relax and your mind stay calm and focused. The third thing you can do to instantly lower your blood pressure is to soak your feet in hot water. Now you might be thinking, wait, doesn't hot water raise blood pressure? Well, surprisingly, when warmth is applied to certain areas of the body, like your feet, it can actually have the opposite effect. Here's what you want to do. Fill a bucket or basin with warm water. Not so hot that it burns, but comfortably warm. Soak your feet in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll likely start to notice your blood pressure dropping even after just a few minutes. But to get the best results, Try to keep your feet in for the full 10 to 15 minutes. And for an extra touch of relaxation, you can add a bit of Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate, to the water. Now, heat causes your peripheral arteries, especially in your legs and feet, to dilate. This helps improve circulation, reduces overall vascular resistance, and takes some of the pressure off your heart. In simple terms, the warm water helps redirect blood flow toward your feet and encourages your body to relax by slightly activating the parasympathetic system. Studies have shown that soaking your feet in warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes can lead to a noticeable drop in blood pressure, sometimes by as much as 5 to 10 millimeters of mercury. And when done regularly, a few times a week, it may help support healthier, more stable blood pressure over time. All three of these practices can significantly reduce your overall blood pressure. Even though the Valsalva maneuver, which is a breathing technique, is very effective at lowering blood pressure, it can also cause it to drop too quickly if you do it too often. So it's best to use it only occasionally and avoid repeating it too many times in a short period, because that could make your blood pressure fall dangerously low. And remember, high blood pressure can have many different causes. So it's always a good idea to check with your healthcare provider before trying this on your own. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Blood Pressure Healthcare for more tips on managing and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.